Hey, welcome back, Van here. Let me show you how much pain I put these two products through. This is a SeeSii 6-inch chainsaw, and this is a set of pruning shears. Did all this with this. Well, I got something right here that I've been wanting for a pretty good while. It's a pruner and one of those hand chainsaws. Well, that's pretty sweet right there. It's got a guard on top. Comes with 2 batteries. Oh, look at there. What? Hey, that thing's pretty fast. We got a screwdriver to adjust your chain tension. Right here, you'll loosen this up, and this is how you adjust your chain tension when it becomes loose. Screwdriver, new 6-inch chain. Okay, it comes with a sharpening stone, an Allen wrench. So this controls your thickness, right? That's for a thicker piece, and that's for a really thick piece. I think it said 30 millimeters. So we're gonna put it over here on the one. You gotta hit the trigger twice for it to start working. Let's put it on something small. See how it's small? And then you want to hold this in 3 to 5 seconds. Now it stays shut. To oil this blade, you want to take this cover off. It takes a Phillips screwdriver. They said in a standard. I don't know. Ah, look at there. Sweet. So there's your Phillips. Take this cover off right here to oil that. You see that oil? This was sitting over there like this, and when I picked it up, I'm like, what in the world leaked out of there? Well, I had used this like a day or so ago just to try it out before I made a video on it, and I put oil in it, and it's sitting like this. Is it not made to sit like that? Maybe I should have had it sitting like this. Where did it come out from? It came out from inside these cracks right here. I don't know about that now. I mean, I'm not saying this is a bad product. I'm just saying that kind of sucks right there, because look how deep it got into the battery. I hope this thing still works. It's like down inside the grooves and everything. Wow. All right, let's see. You didn't see that. All that oil came flying off the end of it. Thing about something small like this for a homeowner, another good thing is that the city won't pick up anything that's longer than 6 feet. So I don't have to drag out the chainsaw for this. I can just lop it up. Here I've got a low-lying limb that I've been wanting to take down for a while. Alright, that's to get it started. There it goes. I use these pruners to cut those tree limbs up I just put on the side of the road to make them shorter. Now I don't want to get rid of all these over here, but I want to get rid of some of them. Let me hear it in the comment section if you think I'm doing this wrong. Because I don't care. I don't care. I don't like these bushes. I kind of hope it kills them. This is like 1 inch around. Finally took it. Didn't want to. Only reason why I want to clear this up over here is because this company sent me a can crusher, and I love this can crusher, and I'll leave a link in the video description. It's called Cannonball. I'll leave that in the video description down below. These are kind of in my way. I'm just going to clean these up. That way I don't have bushes touching me while I'm over here doing it. Nice. I believe that'll work.